Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another day with another video. I'm going to try to keep this a short one. I very rarely do reviews of sneakers more than just the unboxing. And after that, either they're good or bad. But these, I did an unboxing video like a month ago or something. And I haven't worn them until today. And I'm amazed. So when Nike does something good, I really want to give them credit. These Air Force One called Premium are much more comfortable than your standard Air Force One. You can remove the insole easy, you can put in your own insole, which I did. And for once, I can say that this time you can actually go down a size. At least half a size, maybe a full size, because they were a bit long. So if you can try them on before purchase, that would be good. But I am in love with Air Force One Low. I've hated them for a couple of years, even though I really do think that they look good. The pleather are so uncomfortable. But these are just the way Air Force One should be. Before, I used to do in Nike ID, it's called something else today. And when you did them in Nike ID, you got way better leather than your off-the-shelf shoes. And this, I don't know, this is just something, maybe they're trying the water, see if people want to pay extra for extra good leather. I'm pretty sure that I got them on sale, I think, and they should always be available. They look just standard, so nothing wrong at all. But if you know leather, you can see that the leather is thicker, softer, and they are actually really comfortable. The inside is same, I think. So it's all because of the softer, thicker leather that they are more comfortable. And they look just like your standard Air Force One, just like they should look. And they feel like they should feel. So yeah, I highly recommend them if you are a guy or a female that usually wears Air Force One, even though they are uncomfortable. Try these. Nike Air Force One Low Premium. Should be available in stores, I don't know. And a bit pricey here in Europe, but today I say that they are worth it. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. By the way, of course, they did not come in the Jordan box. I just don't want to put used shoes on my kitchen table.